Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. 200 local educators are to benefit from financial literacy training over the next year. Profit Jumpstarter Academy has partnered with the Ministry of Education for the rollout of the program, which will be delivered online. Keisha Bailey is the CEO of Profit Jumpstarter.
We're collaborating with the Ministry of Education to offer $31 million Jamaican in scholarships to educators to ensure that the educators learn how to build wealth so they can teach the students, they can help the parents as well. And through doing so, that's how we build a better Jamaica. That's how we build a better world as well.
Education Minister Favor Williams says this aligns with the ministry's plan to expand financial education in schools.
I am committed to incorporating a more widespread financial literacy education into our schools curriculum to ensure that every student has the opportunity to develop these critical skills. It's not enough to excel academically. Our students must also be equipped with the knowledge and skills to navigate the financial landscape with confidence and competence.
They were both speaking at the Profit Jumpstarter's Build Wealth Conference on Friday. Ms. Williams says the ministry is exploring public-private partnerships to carry out the expansion of financial education in schools. Some news on the markets now. Mayberry Investments is looking to raise $1.37 billion through a bond offering. The company published the prospectus for the offering on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. It proposes a 10.75% return per annum, and if successful, it will run for 18 months after listing. Mayberry Investment says it has the option to upsize the offer by $687 million, meaning they can raise up to $2.06 billion. The minimum investment is 20,000 Jamaican dollars with increments of $10,000 thereafter. It opens on August 23 and should close September 20. Mayberry Investment says the funds will be used to pay off the second tranche of the Mayberry Investments 10% $1.37 billion bond, which is due this year. And the Jamaican dollar improved in value compared to the U.S. currency after it resumed trading this morning at a new record of $158.26 to $1 US. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $157.99. The Canadian is going for $116.24. $201.61 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for $174.51. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 2,067 points, while the junior market index fell by 42 points. Among the 44 winners were Margaritaville Turks, JMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Caribbean Cream, JMB Group 7% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, and AS Bryden & Sons Holdings out of Trinidad and Tobago. The 50 losers included 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Cargo Handlers, Honeybun 1982, Blue Power Group, and VM Investments. 15 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.